It's meeting here, and I am so excited for 2 reasons. Reason number 1, finally I have a phone. It was my mom's phone, but it kind of got broken, and then we fixed it. But I need a new battery. But it's still clicks and stuff. I need to change it. But it's an iPhone 5. So yeah, I'm not trying to brag or something, because I'll never do that. But yeah, so I have a phone. Sorry to charge it. Yeah, and I can't film with this, even though this is really good quality. Like, sorry, it has a password, so I can't show you. But it has a really good it's really good quality. But it's really good quality, but I can't film with it. But anyway, I got a package from my best friend Mieda. She made it for me, and it says, "To Mia, this is my homemade squishies that I made for there's lots of from mieda." So it's really cute. It says open it, and it's really cute. So these are homemade squishies. These are paper squishies, because she told me. She said there's a note and everything. So it's back. She gave it to me at school. I'm gonna try not to cut anything. And by the way, she has a YouTube channel. If you wanna check that out, let me show you. This is how you spell it. Let me just. There you go. This is how you spell it. And if it might not work on Apple, because like if I search it like that, and then I go on channels, there's like nothing. So yeah, but that's how it's spelled. Just if you want to subscribe to her. So I'm gonna try not to cut any squishies. Also try not. Okay, I'm making this. There. You get the first look, guys, and I'm looking for the note. Oh, here it is. The note's right here. Okay, so it says note. Very cute. Okay, note. Hi, Mia. It's me, Mieda. I hope you enjoy your squishies. P.S. Mieda. This is the note. Really cute. Thank you. So, first thing I pull out. Oh, there's 2. So there's a pizza squishy. This squishy. Little. Oh, this is a strawberry. Sorry so much. It's really good. Thank you. Here is the pizza squishy. So it says pizza. So cool. And I'm gonna put these in my squishy. And then I'm not sure what this is. Oh, this says LOL. Loop. And at the back it says bye, Mieda. The next thing I pull out is this ice cream. It's really cute. And then I have a panda man. I do not have a panda man in my homemade squishy collection, but it's really, really cute. It's really squishy as well. This is the panda man, and it has a bow in it at the back. Thank you for this. I'm like so excited for this. Okay. The last thing. There's one more thing. Okay, so is this like a potato or something? What is this? Apple Bloom Squishy by me. Oh, so this is Apple Bloom, okay. This is so cute. I really like this one. And then, oh, she said she had a bread in it. Okay, so, this one, oh, here's it. Here's the face. So, that's all in the package. So, thank you so much for that. Please subscribe to her. Thumbs up. And please go and subscribe to her. She is amazing. Bye.